You've customized your page, verified your identity, and tested your alerts in OBS. Now, there's only one thing left to do: get you paid. Click Activate Payments and then Connect Stripe to start. You'll be redirected to Stripe's secure onboarding. Start by entering your email address. If you already have a Stripe account, you can use the same email to keep everything under one roof. If you're an existing Stripe user, you can quickly link your new PopTip account to your existing business profile, or simply select Create a New Business to start fresh. I'll be selecting Create a New Business. This keeps your streaming income separate and makes the verification process much faster. Next, confirm your location and business type. For most independent creators, you'll want to select Individual. This keeps the paperwork simple and ensures your payouts are handled correctly. Now, you'll verify your personal details. This information is required by Stripe to keep your account safe and meet global legal standards. It only takes a minute to fill in your legal name, address, and date of birth. Now, for the business details. Stripe needs to verify your tipping page as your business website. However, you might run into a small hurdle where Stripe's automated system thinks your page is under construction because your account isn't fully active yet. Here's how to handle it. Copy your full link first, then delete the end of it so it just says poptip.app and hit continue. Once you get to the next screen, open the step menu at the top, jump back to business details, and paste your full tipping link back in. This small workaround satisfies Stripe's validation, so you can finish your setup. Next, select your account for payouts. You can search for your bank directly or enter your routing and account numbers manually. This is where your earnings will be deposited. Now, choose your payout schedule. I recommend automatic. You can set this to daily, weekly, or monthly, so your revenue flows into your bank account without you having to lift a finger. Before you finish, check your statement descriptor. Keeping it as poptip.app ensures your fans recognize the charge on their bank statement. Stripe may offer you the option to join their climate commitment. This is a great initiative, but it is completely optional. You can simply hit No Thanks to move past this step. I also highly recommend opting into the automated sales tax collection. It's a free service that handles the compliance for you. Finally, give everything a thorough review and hit Submit. When you land back in your page editor, you'll see a verification in progress status. Stripe is just finalizing things. It usually takes about a minute, and that's it. Your handle is unlocked, your tipping form is live, and you are officially open for business. From here on out, every tip triggers your cinema alerts and keeps 95% of the revenue in your pocket. Welcome to PopTip.